Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete a minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, it looked like said dancehall artist Squash 6 Boss has been released from immigration, ICE, custom, and enforcement. This is some people putting at the comment section what you think about that. Do you think he got, bonded out and is awaiting, his trial that's coming up March 26th? Or do you think he got dipped back to Jamaica? Nevertheless, his mother's prayers is working because her son is out of them situations there. You see what I say? But I'm not gonna lie, my people, I got a hold of the police report. And I'm not gonna tell you no lies. Everything that my intel has been telling me for the past several years, with the situation with the six, it's legit. You feel me? He's under several investigations, X, Y, and Z. But what I got from this police report, the driver is not, I should say the driver doesn't seem to be in on the setup business. In fact, there was a third individual that was being watched by the feds that approached, squashed them, and handed him, one of them things there. And that's when the Babylon boy, the feds boy, called the local PD department and told them what they saw, and for come follow them, you know what I mean? And that's what the guy did, you see it. He noticed them, they made several traffic violations, so they called for come pull them over, and when them get consent to search the vehicle, that's the first spot where them go. Another glove compartment where them say squash, put the thing, and them get the holster not on him, but in the side compartment, you know what I mean? Putting at the comment section where you think about that, no. Because it was definitely a sting operation, you see what I say? So we know he got no legal status in America. So that's why he was involved in the immigration thing. You know what I mean? And we know he had several cases from prior. So, you know what I mean? My intel, they tell me to say, I have immigration court, IRS court. And as you can see, the knockers thing, you see what I say? And it looks like this might be, I don't want to say international implications, because from 2 years ago, bro God said they must target the man them who are sending things back from America to Jamaica. And we see him again make those similar statements with the Trump administration. And election time is coming up and they need votes. It's a certain scapegoat. So let's give them an update. Well, go on put in the comment section what you think about that. Do you think he's going to be able to file asylum based off his entryway into America, or they're just going to dip him? You see me? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. And now we have some good news, people. You see the boy that get the jersey from Messi yesterday? Yeah, it was taken from him by some unscrupulous people, because said they was about to put that on eBay for sale. You see me? I say, but you see, say Shaco Bus was able to get it back. You don't know the thing sitting at the streets. You have to, have to eat. You don't say the juice, you see. So, big up Shaco Bus for getting back the jersey. And, the little boy can feel happy because, you can imagine your people, them take your prized possession from you, you know what I mean? And the boy go school and all of them things that talk about it and all of this stuff. So, but that's again a quick update while going for it to go on. Them said Jamaican sell out, You know what I mean? But we've been seeing that from lately, though, you see. But me even I got touch base upon that, You know what I mean? True, everybody sure to show support for Messi and all of them things there. You don't know the things that you see at the stadium, remote and all of them stuff there, you see me? But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, keeping up with the same topic with the footballers, Dr. Love is kind of appalled and upset. The amount of support the foreign team got. And, we Jamaican team, need all the support and helping. You know what I mean? And you already know that goes in all areas in Jamaica when it comes to our own car. Look how hard him and, Nigeria did that work from the start. And know them finally get the bus and people, it's hating on them. You feel me? I just can't see them a link up with broker. But let's hear what I'm have to say about this situation with the footballers and how the national stadium full and thing. You see my saying?
No, I don't want you guys get me wrong, but when I look at the national stadium last night, all Jamaican come out and support. Oh, they was on the high. They make it a priority to be out there. Everybody's cheering on them, reading them shirt. The stadium is full. And when our own football team are play, we don't have that much people. Them don't get that much support. The fact of the matter is that our outsiders can come in and get that support. You know how they feel as outsiders to come and get that welcome. Encourage them that what they're doing something good, which they are doing something good. But when our reggae boys and reggae girls play, the support is not there. We no go out like that, we no support them, we no cuss them, day go, night go, and all of that. And guess what happened? It can be discouraging. Supporting somebody, encouraging them and things that they're doing that is great will help them to go to the next level, motivate them, right? And everyone was out. Like me, it's a KFC empty last night, the road empty, everybody there stadium. What about when our people play? And don't get me wrong, I am not here picking on any white and black or your complexion or whatever it is, but we need to support our own when they are playing. We need to go out and encourage them. We need to give them that energy for them to continue to do what they're doing, right? And everybody was out last night because it's the outsiders, and it's like, yeah, the people and say, is this the same people that live in the country that fight against their own football team? They go out and they're supporting and they're carrying on the eye and everything, and trust me, the people was so on point to make sure that they leave work. Some of them probably didn't cook no dinner. That's where them have them dinner, everything. And look at the support. We need to see that same energy when our football team is playing. We need that same energy. We need to see the support on the team, just like how we support others. And I'm not saying don't support others. You feel me I say? But we need that energy. Please, let us see that. All right, big up on yourself. Dr. Love to the world.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. Like I explained to one earlier, you know. You know what I mean? Boy, they really got us bred to really not support we want. You know what I mean? And when we do, it's kind of too late. You know them way there? Yeah, let's proceed to the next. You see it. And now, people dancer Queen Spice just dropped a music video titled Come Out. And I'm not gonna lie, I like it. Yeah, man, people, the song, but this is my say, put in the comment section if you listen to it already, because me couldn't just help to say she talk about Lisa Hype and a certain verse, You know what I mean? You know, these artists speak about their lives, and you know Spice has a lot of critics and all of these things, you see me? But when she mentioned, you know, the line that... Boy, no girl, I'm no secret for her. We have to think about Lisa Hype, but don't.
None of them a girl can chat to me, and none of them have no secret for me. Walk alone, come in,
and the only reason why Lisa crossed my mind is because Spice, you know, I don't want to say RT boss, but Lisa's the only one coming out as saying, you know, all of this stuff about our whole from ramping shop days. You know what I mean? Or Cartel and Popcorn and all of these people run through and all of these things. You see what I say? So that line there specifically, and you know, the cloning note line, when, you know, she said,
it company, if me for boss a girl face, you know that easy for me. No man never clone me yet, me and no man puppet. Me have the I shall return back.
Yeah, so all of them things there, it made me feel like she was talking about Lisa, specifically when the parts that featured Vibes Cartel in the clips, the music video, you see what I say? So I think say Lisa, she a chat book. You know Lisa that I got hard for my day, yeah, you see it. You know, Lisa is still up at you, we getting, you know, assistance with her head and all of this stuff, you see me? I'm not sure if she's going to apologize to anybody when she comes back. But that would be the right thing to do, you see what I say? Whether they want to accept it or not, that's on them, you see it. But I'm going to give you a quick update while I go on from the one, you can go on Spice Viva channel and check out the full video for yourself, you see it? Yeah, let's proceed to the next. And now, Beauty Bling, Queen of TikTok finally reveals, you know, her new look. This is the official photo shoot for her, a big reveal. And you see some people putting in the comment section where you think about that, because I think she looks good. You know what I mean? I think it look good, you see some people, but you know, some me a man, you know. So I really can't take my advice for it, but she look good, you see me? You know what I mean? I'm not sure which place did the thing, and I'm not sure whether I promote it for free, but turn a big up on yourself, you know. I see some other Jamaican influencers on the page there, you see it. You know what I mean? So, I'm not going to long with this no longer, you see me. People, I'm just give them quick update what I go on for to go on another day, you see me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest though. Please.